I mean, we were just sitting back, you know, chopping it up, reminiscing about the good old days and all that. You know, tracking my roots, where I came from and where I'm going. But like I say, man, always said it. It's not about the destination. It's all about the journey. Ain't nothing changed but the weather. The dangling carrot that hang from the rear view. Your dreams in the past ain't nowhere near you. Backseat drivers got nothing but 2 cents.
Now that you actually gave me, I have to do the job. Do you have a title
A title?
for your piece?
No. I just thought it would be an interesting scene. I
It is,
haven't really
it
thought
is.
that much into it.
It's definitely interesting.
It is.
I mean, the instructions we were given were make the most absurd still life or structure you can out of 3 to 5 objects you find around you.
OMG.
Are you hungry, Jordan? Because it's about ready.
Daniel Bryan! Daniel Bryan's already qualified for the men's Money in the Bank ladder match.
Are you done with the collective coffee?
Yeah.
That's something I missed.
I'll have to get more.
Wait, how did I hold this? Oh, what do you know? Can't bring it. In the like coffee section? Take all of them, yeah. How to state it, but we're going to decide how to use it. We'll share our interpretation of it, I guess. Maybe stash the drugs, that'll be fun.什么？내려와. 내려오세요.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all. Na 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 na.
injection inside or almost a cleaning. Again, I say maybe you can, maybe you can't. I'm not a doctor, but I'm like a person that has a good, you know what.
But sir, you're the
Did you buy all of them? Or people just started to give you one?
I bought most of them. Some of them were gifts. Some of them I grew myself. Not all of them are mine. I'm also plant sitting.
What?
Not all of them are mine. I'm also plant sitting.
Oh. Did you say plant sitting?
Yeah. Like this one and this one aren't mine, and then one of the ones in there isn't mine either.
Were they
They're
like lilies?
They went. Well, no, they went. No, they're actually Rowan's. She went home for. Well, she went home for spring break, and then she didn't come back because of.
Is in the top.
What?
This one is on the top.
Yeah, they're airplanes.
What?
They're airplanes.
Airplane.
Yeah, they don't need soil.
Carrot cake-ish thing.
So my theory was busted. It's good.
Yum.
Working world now, I'm obsessed. Wow, what? That's Bill Gates' wife. Yeah. She's great. Yeah.
Yes. Whoa, it's getting there.
Is it good?
Oh, and in the photojournalism class, we talked with a journalist, like photojournalist, and he kind of like gave me a answer that was pointing against the
What?
So the reason why I like journalism, why I feel attracted to it, is I always was curious about other people's life and wanted to do that as a record. That process made me feel like I'm invading their lives. Unless that's the people like I am really interested in what these relationship. Well, I still like the extractive nature of it.
What do you mean?
not create story by myself. I'm always like getting something from other people to do it. The question was more specific. I asked you like, say that there is a situation. I find the picture delivering the message that I want to say. But what if the subject of the picture doesn't like how it is portrayed or described? And he said successful pictures are like they always have agreement with the subjects.
They always have what?
Agreement.
Agreement? Okay.
As its nature is extracted from people, but we can always like make it reciprocal by giving back what they need. Like, for instance, when he goes to a subject's house and he sees family picture, we'll just offer them to take a picture of them. Things like that. It made more sense when he was talking.
I'm not sure what you mean.
So I felt uncomfortable or guilty every time trying to like get story from other people. And he said that is true, but we can also make it as like side way. It doesn't have to be just you taking information from them. You can do something they need, like within your
Oh, I see.
skill set.
Huh. Okay. So what was your dilemma about it?
But now I learned that I can do something back to like make them feel good too. I don't feel like I feel less uncomfortable.
But also it's like, you know, your job as a journalist, like yes, it's to interact with the subjects, but like I feel like you shouldn't like, I don't know, someone's participation in a story, like you shouldn't have to do anything for them because like the story isn't about you. Like if journalism's a public service, then the story is supposed to, you know, enlighten something in the public, report news, you know. And if it's something where it's like a spotlight on a person or a family or something, like that gives them exposure in return, you know. And if they don't want that, then there won't be a story about them. So it's like, I feel like you shouldn't have to do something like that, you know, in return for something.
Should we eat the legs or not?
Up to you. You're the chef.
Let's eat the legs. That could be true too, but like that attitude makes journalism aggressive. I think.
Why?
Subject. Maybe it's not what you're saying, but like say that you made an agreement to be subject of my article, so I can use any information that I gain from you. That's like that could be. Yeah, that sounds aggressive to the subject.
But that's what it is, you know. It's not like it is a personal thing, but you're not writing from, you know, unless you're writing an editorial person, like you're not writing for yourself. You're not doing it for yourself.
It's different from just like doing or taking pictures for them as service.
Oh, we didn't make the salmon.
Yeah, I think that's enough. Do you want to make it? Okay.
Salmon eggs. Mix it on my plate.
Okay. I never mix food.
Really?
Like I don't mix oil. I don't mix. What's
I feel like every food I mix. Like even when they're not supposed to be mixed. Yeah, it's really hot.
Okay, it's really good.
Really?
Maybe because I'm super.
Oh, that's really good.
So you're out of ice cream?
I'm sorry.
윤리 그거 엄마 거. 엄마 거. 윤리. 어이. 잘 가.
I saw Spider-Man in the dream. I was trying to get one, but I bought another baking powder. Mistakenly. Why do you need it for? Oh, is it better if you like?
여러분, 윤리 너무 귀엽지 않나요? 저 빨래 깼다가 저 이렇게 들어가 있어요. 윤리 거기가 좋아? 윤리? 아, 너무 잘생겼어. 그치? 윤리, 너 왜 이렇게 잘생겼어? 사랑해. 여러분, 린이 엉덩이도 완전 귀여워요. 지금 식빵 껍질